LP11S Enhanced Version Vacuum Packaging Machine Operating Instructions. Internal sealant and sealant structure. Maximum effective seal length 280 mm. Power jack. Need to use texture bag. Smooth bag is invalid. Internal sealant and sealant can be removed and cleaned. After cleaning and installation, check that the black and gray sealant strips are flat and free of deformation. The machine can operate without vacuum sealing and vacuum sealing. Vacuum sealing operation. Check that the internal sealant and sealant are flat and free of deformation. The mouth of the bag must be placed in a vacuum chamber, which is inside the right frame, close to rear cover. Note that lightly pressing the upper cover and not over 2 seconds. Press the green light key. Green LED flashing means vacuuming. Red LED on means sealing. Red light turns green light. Vacuum sealing is completed. Lightly push the exhaust valve. Open the fixed sparkles on both sides and then open the cover. Vacuum packaging completed. Error 1. The sealant and sealant are deformed and cannot be used normally. Before use, the internal sealant and sealant must be leveled. Mistake 2. The foot is too high for the lid and cannot be used normally. Proper operation. Foot cannot exceed the upper cover. Can be used normally. Error 3. The bag mouth is placed too high and does not enter the vacuum chamber, resulting in no vacuum sealing. Error 4. The bag mouth is placed too far and it cannot be vacuum packed without entering the vacuum chamber. Correct operation. The bag mouth needs to be put into the vacuum chamber and then operate. Error 5. After the vacuum, the exhaust valve is not pushed and the cover is opened directly, causing the internal sealant and sealant glue to shift. Error 6. After vacuum, pulling the bag directly causes the sealant and sealant to shift. Correct operation. After the vacuum is completed, you need to gently push the exhaust valve, open the fixed sparkle on both sides and then open the cover. Error 7. Direct vacuum with liquid food. Oily liquid is shot into the vacuum chamber. Mistake 8. Direct pouring of water in a vacuum chamber will cause damage to the machine. Correct operation. Wipe with dry paper towel. Vacuum packaging with liquid food. The original box is sealed with a small opening directly into the bag and then operated. You can complete. How to use the roll bag. Edge sealing at the opening of the bag. After closing the cover, press the upper cover with both hands to seal the edges. After completion, check for leaky wrinkles and cut to the desired size. Can be used normally. Non-vacuum sealing operation. Place the heating wire at the mouth of the bag. After closing the lid, no need to press buttons. Press the upper cover with both hands for 3 seconds. The red light will jump to the green light. Can be completed. Semi-vacuum sealing operation. Put the bag mouth into the vacuum chamber. After using the lid, press the green light button. Vacuum to the required level. Press button to pause. Press the upper cover with both hands. The red light turns to the green light. Semi-vacuum packaging completed. A vacuum force measurement. Do not touch the packaging bag during operation. The test is completed. Thanks for watching.